64. A.
W, w, w.
B. 64. B.
weak, wet, way, warm, well, weather, windy, away, always, 12, swim, what, white, which, where, 1, language, question, quiet, square.
B. 64. C.
Answer. 2. Who. Whole. Right. Wrong.
B. 64. D. 1,
Swimming in warm water.
2,
21 words.
3,
What's the answer?
4,
11:45 on Wednesday.
5,
22 languages.
6,
The wrong word.
7,
The whole world.
8,
Question and answer.
9,
Where will you be waiting?
B. 65. A.
Y. Y. Y.
B. 65. B.
Yes. Yesterday. Year. Young. Usual. Student. University. New. View. Interview. Beautiful. Queue. Europe.
B. 65. C. 1,
A young university student.
2,
A beautiful view.
3,
Waiting in a queue for an interview.
4,
The European Union.
5,
I usually walk to work, but I used the car yesterday.
B. 65. D.
Are you a new student?
Are you a new student?